at this. The Madison, New Hampshire Historical Society posting these pictures, washed out roadways in their town from the storm. And a tree came down on Washington Ave in Portland. At the time this morning, they were recommending people take a different route. That wasn't it either. In the area of York Street and part of the road collapsed this morning. Portland Water District officials tell us water got between the pipes there, causing the road to collapse similar to a sinkhole. Get this, officials say it may take days, even weeks, to repair that damage. For now, though, they're advising you to take an alternate route to get onto High Street.
Yeah, I'm not sure if your mic was up over the first images. Those were from Madison, New Hampshire. And it was a flash flood warning issued there in the middle of the night.
Which is even worse because everybody's asleep then to recognize when
absolutely. You know, a lot of people saw storms and then a lot of people didn't. And the lightning tracker shows you this. You can see there were a lot in Vermont, then they moved into northern New Hampshire, and then kind of two areas in Maine, one through the foothills toward the Belgrade Lakes and another one that went right into Casco Bay last night. Look at some of these rain totals, really impressive in isolated spots. Madison, New Hampshire, between 4 and 5 inches of rain. Albany Township on the Kangamangas Highway had more than 5 inches of rain, but North Conway less than 1.5 inches. Portland came up over 2, but Augusta less than 1/4 of an inch, and there was just 1/100th of an inch of rain in Bangor last night. So if you got into some of those storms, they were drenching. If you missed them, there wasn't a whole lot. It's very warm out there now, and you can see where the sun has broken through. That's where temperatures are rising to near or over 80. The dew points are high, and they will remain high this afternoon. It's going to feel tropical out there. Visible satellite showing all the sunshine here in eastern Maine right now. Still some cloudiness on the down east coast. Then we have sun that's broken out in the foothills in western Maine. There is some stubborn low cloud cover from Lewiston to Casco Bay, but we should eat away at that as the afternoon goes on. Big area of high pressure offshore that's pumping in this warmth and humidity, and in that, both today and tomorrow, there's a chance for a few showers or storms to pop up. I don't think they're going to be as crazy as the ones we had last night, though. So this afternoon, there's about a 30% chance you see a shower or a rumble of thunder. Not everybody will see them, but there will be a few out there, so just be prepared for the possibility of some rain. Then this evening, I think a lot of this action should fade. We'll have some patches of fog along the coastline, and tomorrow morning starts out with low cloudiness near the coast, some sunshine farther inland, and perhaps a few spotty showers even in the morning. The highest chance for showers tomorrow will be in the mountains in northern Maine. Be very warm and humid there. At the coastline, these clouds may be tough to break apart, but we should do that, especially on parts of the mid-coast and southern Maine in the afternoon, where it turns at least partly sunny. But again, you see most of the showers and storms will be farther inland from the coastline. Maybe you get one at the coast late in the day, but the best chance tomorrow will be farther inland and north. Tomorrow night, though, we have a chance for a shower or thunderstorm coming through along with a cold front. These could be some noisy storms in the middle of the night, but we think they exit quickly on Saturday, and sunshine develops from west to east during the morning, and we have a beautiful looking afternoon on Saturday. It'll not be as humid either, still a little muggy, but not to the levels that we have today and tomorrow, where dew points are up around 70. And then for Sunday, it looks like the dew points drop even further, and we get a mostly dry day on Sunday too. This afternoon sees 2 to 3 feet with a southerly wind 5 to 10 knots on the water. So I've been saying all week, pay attention to where those raindrop icons are over the weekend. I think we get most of the rain in Friday night very early Saturday, and then Sunday night very early on Monday, which means we end up with what looks like, Brian, a pretty good weekend. Just be aware this afternoon might be a pop-up shower. Not going to be widespread, but some rain out there.
Okay.